Here is a short step-by-step guide on drawing a cabbage rose. In this guide, we are going to draw a cabbage rose from the front perspective, the front view. Here is how to do that in a short way. What is a cabbage rose? Also known as Rosa centifolia, 100 petals rose. These round and shrubby roses are often found in shades of pink. Understanding the structure of the cabbage rose. Before you begin to draw, you should understand and familiarize yourself with the structure and botany of this beloved plant, like distinct features it has, as well as understanding the rose's structure and the overall form of the flower. Step-by-step guide on drawing a cabbage rose. Let's start by drawing a small oval. This serves as the center of the rose. Feel free to add more lines on the side of the center and outside of the center. Begin to draw and add in the petals from the center. Continue to add rose petals radiating from the center of the drawing. Remember that these petals are just slightly curved lines going around the center of the rose, to easily picture it in your mind and flawlessly draw it. Keep adding more petals as you progress in the drawing. Remember that cabbage roses have more than 100 individual petals. Feel free to make some of the additional petals pointy towards the center. Just keep working in a circular motion, adding 3 to 5 petals for each layer of the rose. Finish the first rose drawing by adding a stem and a few leaves to it. Feel free to add in color to the drawing. Coloring pencils are the best choice. Want to learn more about drawing? KnowledgeableMind.com